Hello everyone, welcome back. Happy Friday. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the maximum time you can be held under the Baker Act. And the reason I'm making this particular video is because I've had a number of calls in the last 2 weeks where people call up and they say, he's been there 48 hours. The max is only 72 hours. It's an adult. If it's a child, they're like, oh no, he can only be held 12 hours. And I'm like, no, you got it wrong. The 12 hours, the 72 hours, that's not the end. That's the beginning, okay? The 72 hours is the period in which an adult must be assessed by. The 12-hour period is the period in which a minor must be assessed by. The limit under the Baker Act is 6 months, okay? So, for instance, an adult held up to 72 hours. And again, I'm presuming that the facility follows the law, and you guys know by now, they don't follow the law. A lot of them don't, and well, they don't care because no one's watching and you can't sue them for this stuff. So, no harm, no foul, right? But if they follow the law, 72 hours is just the beginning. They can then go and file a petition, to have you placed in either in their facility or another facility for up to 6 months. Even a minor can be held for much, much longer than for 12 hours. Have I seen a child get sent to a state hospital for 6 months? I haven't, but I've seen a number of adults get sent to a state hospital for 6 months. And I've had a number of adults, or the families of adults, I should say, call me after they went to a hearing, not realizing the consequences of what was about to happen, and get sent to a state hospital for 6 months. So please, please, please don't be under the illusion that the 12-hour window or the 72-hour window is the end of it. It's not. It's the beginning. And that is the best time to fight, when you're in that window, because if you wait until afterwards, and in theory, you could get released, your loved one could get released. I tell everybody that. But the question you have to ask yourself is, are you willing to take that chance? And I've got a lot of videos out there, where I talk about the red flags, the things you should look for, that'll give you a really good idea if your loved one's going to get released, or if you even need to start fighting. But in my experience, offense beats defense. Getting to the courthouse first wins. Make the facility fight you. Don't be in a position where you have to fight them, where you got to play defense. The window is the best time to fight, not afterwards. So I wanted to share that with you. Maximum, minimum under the Baker Act. Take care. Bye-bye.